children, now I am going to explain exercise 12.2 question number 4. Let's see the question. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. If the sides of the triangle are 26 cm, 28 cm and 30 cm and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 cm, find the height of the parallelogram. Here is a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. Their base is same and area also same. Base and area same. Then sides of the triangle it is given here 26 cm, 28 cm and 30 cm. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. If the sides of the triangle are 26 cm, 28 cm and 30 cm and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 cm and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 cm, that means base of the triangle is 28 cm. This parallelogram stands on this base. Parallelogram stands on the base 28 cm. What is by a parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. That is a parallelogram. So this one is a parallelogram. A parallelogram and a triangle. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. Same base 28 cm. And the area also same only. This both the parallelogram and the triangle area same only. If the sides of the triangle 26 cm, 28 cm, 30 cm. So one side of the triangle we can take 26 cm, 28 cm and this side we can take 30 cm. And the parallelogram stands on the base 28 cm. This parallelogram is standing on the base 28 cm. Then what is the question? Find the height of the parallelogram. Find the height of the parallelogram. Find the height of the parallelogram. This height of the parallelogram we want to find out. That is the question. So here, first we can write the given values. That is, in triangle A is equal to 26 cm, B is equal to 28 cm and C is equal to 30 cm. So first we are going to find out the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle we will find out. After that we will get the height of the parallelogram. Okay, let's see. In triangle A is equal to, all the three sides it is given there. So A is equal to, we can take 26 cm, B is equal to 28 cm and C is equal to 30 cm. Therefore, S is equal to semi-perimeter. S is equal to, what is the formula? A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is equal to 26 cm plus 28 cm plus 30 cm divided by 2, that is equal to 26 plus 28 plus 30. 26 plus 28 plus 30. 8 plus 6, 14, 4, remainder 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8. That is 84 divided by 2. Then 8 by 2, that is 4, and 4 by 2, 2, 42. So semi-perimeter S is equal to what is the value? 42 centimeter. We can write 42 centimeter. Now find out the area. Therefore, area of triangle is equal to, what is the formula? Area of triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Substitute value here. That is equal to square root of S we got now 42 into 42 minus A 26 into S minus B 42 minus 28 into S minus C 42 minus 30. Then that is equal to square root of 42 into 42 minus 26, subtract that, 12 minus 6, 6, then remaining 3 minus 2, 1, 16 into 42 minus 28, 12 minus 8, 12 minus 8, 4, 3 minus 2, 1 into 42 minus 30, 2 minus 0, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, 12. Then that is equal to square root of 6 sevens are 42 into 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16 into 2 sevens are 14 into 6 twos are 12. 2 into 6. Then that is equal to, see here, 6 sevens are 42, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 2 sevens are 14, 6 twos are 12. Now inside the square root, if two factors are same, then we can take out that here 6 into 6, that we can take out 6 into 7 into 7, this 7 we can take out 1, 7 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2. That is equal to 6 sevens are 42 into 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now multiply it. 8 twos are 16, 6 remainder 1, 8 fours are 32 plus 1, 32 plus 1, 33. 336 centimeter square. 336 centimeter square. That is the area of triangle AB, area of the triangle. Now, area of the triangle is 336 centimeter square. Here it is given a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. Triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. So their area also same. Here we got area of triangle is equal to 336 centimeter square. Therefore we can write area of parallelogram is equal to, what is the value? Area of parallelogram is equal to 336 centimeter square. In the question given there, area of triangle and area of parallelogram both it is same only. So area of parallelogram is equal to, we can write 336 centimeter square, because area of triangle we got here 336 centimeter square. Now area of a parallelogram is equal to, what is the formula? Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Base into height is equal to, what is answer? 336 centimeter square. Base into height. Area of a parallelogram is equal to formula base into height. Now base of this parallelogram it is given here in the question. And the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter. Parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter. Their bases are equal, that is 28 centimeter. So in place of base we can write 28 centimeter into height is equal to 336 centimeter square. Now into 28 centimeter transpose into right side, we will get the height of the parallelogram. Here the question, find the height of the parallelogram. Therefore height is equal to 336 centimeter square into 28 centimeter transposing to right side, we will get divided by 28 centimeter. Therefore height of parallelogram is equal to, now we have to divide that. Height of parallelogram is equal to divide this one, 336 divided by 28. Let's try to cancel that one. 336 divided by 28 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, remainder 1 13, 6 twos are 12, remainder 1 16, 8 twos are 16, 28 divided by 2, 14. Again we can divide it by 2, 8 twos are 16, 4 twos are 8. Then 14 divided by 2, that is 7. 84 divided by 7 we can cancel, 7 ones are 7, then remainder 1, 14 by 7, 7 twos are 14. So what is answer? 336 divided by 28 is equal to 12 centimeter square divided by centimeter. 1 centimeter we can cancel, then what will get the answer? 12 centimeter. So what is the height of the parallelogram? Height of the parallelogram is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, now question number 5. A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. A rhombus shaped field is there. It has green grass and 18 cows can graze from that field. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? Then if it's all the sides, that is side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal 48 meter, then how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? One cow, how much field will get to graze? That is the question. So first we have to draw a rhombus. What is by a rhombus? A quadrilateral in which all the sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel, and its angles are not equal. That is called a rhombus. So this one is a rhombus. It's all sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. The angles are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. That is called a rhombus. Okay, let it be ABC. ABC is a rhombus. Sorry, ABCD. ABCD is a rhombus. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter, all the sides measurement is 30 meter. AB 30 meter, BC 30 meter, CD 30 meter, and AD also 30 meter. AD also 30 meter, and it is given here. Its longer diagonal is 48 meter. Which one is the longer diagonal? Yes, BD is the longer diagonal. This BD is the longer diagonal. BD is the longer diagonal. That is 48 meter. Then how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? So first we have to find out total how much area is there, this grass field, that we have to find out. We will divide it by 18, then we will get how much area of grass field will each cow getting. Then that first we have to find out the area of that grass field. For finding out the area of the grass field, we are going to use the Heron's formula, and we will find out the area of triangle ABD and area of triangle BCD. Adding these two, you will get total area of the grass field. But here you see, no need of finding out both the triangles area separate, because here 30 meter, 48 meter is the measurement of ABD. BCD also same only, 30, 30, 48. So areas will be equal only. That is, area of triangle ABD and area of triangle BCD is equal only. So we will find out area of one triangle. After that we will add it. Okay, now first we have to write given values, that is a side of rhombus. Side of rhombus is equal to how much meter? 30 meter. Diagonal is equal to longer diagonal. Longer diagonal is equal to how much meter? 48 meter. Now we will find out area of triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, A is equal to 30 meter, B is equal to 30 meter, and C is equal to 48 meter. All the three sides I wrote here. A 30 meter, B 30 meter, and C 48 meter. Now find out S. S is equal to, therefore S is equal to, what is the formula? A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is 30 plus 48 divided by 2, that is equal to 30 plus 30 60, 60 plus 40 100, 100 plus 8 108, 108 divided by 2, what is the answer? 54 meter. All the measurement it is given in meter, so it will come in meter. 30 meter plus 48 meter divided by 2, it will come 54 meter. Therefore area of triangle ABD is equal to, what is the formula? Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Then that is equal to, substitute value here, that is equal to square root of S is equal to, we got 54 into S minus A, 54 minus 30 into 54 minus B, 30 into 54 minus C, that is 48. Then that is equal to square root of 54 into, subtract this, 54 minus 30, that is 24. 4 minus 0, 4, 5 minus 3, 2 into 54 minus 30, that is 24 into 54 minus 48, 14 minus 8, 14 minus 8 is equal to 6, 4 minus 4, 0. So it will come 6. Then that is equal to square root of 54. 54 we can write it as then 6 into 9. 6 nines are 54. Into 24 into 6, then that is equal to square root of 6 into 9 we can write as 3 into 3 into 24 into 6. Okay, now we got all the factors, equal factors. That is why I wrote like that. Okay, here it is 1 6 is there. 24 into 24 we can take out that 124 we can take out. Two factors are same. But here only 1 6, that is why 54 I wrote 6 into 9. Again 9 I split it into 3 into 3. Now you see all we can take out. 6 into 6, one factor we can take out. 6 into, from 3 into 3, 1 we will take out 3. 24 into 24, 1 we can take out 24. So 6 3s are 18, that is equal to 6 3s are 18 into 24 meters square, that is equal to, multiply this one, that is 18 into 24, 24 into 18, that is 8 4s are 32, 2, remainder 3, 8 2s are 16 plus 3, 19, 4 1s are 4, 2 1s are 2, remainder, sorry, adding this one, 2, 9 plus 4, 13, 3, remainder 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 432 meters square, 432 meters square, that is the area of triangle ABD. Therefore, area of triangle BCD is equal to what is answer? Same, it will come 432 centimeters square. Therefore, we can write area of rhombus. Therefore, area of rhombus is equal to, what is area of rhombus? 432 meters square plus 432 meters square. Here it is meters square. Okay, that is area of triangle ABD is equal to 432 meters square. Therefore, area of triangle BCD also will be same, only 432 meters square. Therefore, area of rhombus is equal to 432 plus 432. Area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD is equal to, it will come, that is equal to 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 3 6, 4 plus 4 8, 864 meters square. That is the area of rhombus ABCD. Area of rhombus ABCD is equal to 864 meters square. So, for 18 cows, 864 meters square area is there. Then what is the question? How much area of grass field will each cow be getting? One cow, how much grass field will get? That is the question. So therefore we can write area of grass field for 18 cows is equal to, what is answer? 864 meters square. Area of grass field for 18 cows, total 18 cows can graze in that field, that is 864 meters square is there. Therefore, area of grass field for one cow is equal to, how much you will get? 864 meters square divided by 18, that is equal to, we have to divide it by 18, then we will get the answer. So 864 divided by 18. Now cancel this one. 864 divided by 18 divided by 2. 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 18 divided by 2, that is 9. 9. Let's try to divide. 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3, it will come 3. Here also divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, remainder 1. 13, 3 4s are 12, remainder 1, 3 4s are 12. 144 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12, remainder 24, 3 8s are 24. So what is answer? 48 meters square. So area of grass field for one cow is equal to 48 meters square. Now question number 6. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors, each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? In the textbook, this figure it is given there. An umbrella, it is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth. 10 triangular pieces of cloth from here. This just imagine that upside, okay, it is like this. Then 10 triangular pieces are there. The total 10 triangular pieces. Then it is stitched with by 10 triangular pieces. Now how many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 triangular pieces of cloth. of two different colors. Two different colors are there. Here it is from one side only it is given there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces only shown here. In that 5 pieces, just imagine that this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. In the first piece it is one color. Just imagine that this one is black color and next one is white. This black I have marked here, and next one is white, and next one again black. This one is black. Then again next one is white, next one is black, this one will come black. In alternative, we will mark it, that is white, black, again white, this one will come black. Then again white, next one will come black. Then again next one is white and next one is black, it will come like that. So now you see, then two different colors it is given there, two different colors. So one color is black and another one is, just imagine that one is black and one is white. Then how many black pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces are there. How many white pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. These 5 pieces are white, and 5 pieces it is black. It will come like that. Then now each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. Each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and this side also it is 50 centimeter. It is in the form of a triangle. Then how much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? Each color, that is how much cloth of black color is required for the umbrella, and how much cloth of white color is required for the umbrella? That is the question. So how can we find out that? First we will find out the area of one piece. Area of one piece we will find out. Area of one piece into 5 we will multiply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces are there. Into 5 we will multiply. Then we will get the area of cloth required for each color. Area of cloth required for each color. So first we will write. First we have to write the values, that is in triangle A is equal to, we will consider it as a triangle. It is in the shape of a triangle only. So this area, one area we will find out first, that is, then A is equal to, we can take 20 centimeter, B is equal to 50 centimeter, and C is equal to 50 centimeter, C also 50 centimeter. Now find out semi-perimeter. S is equal to, what is the formula? A plus B plus C divided by 2, 20 plus 50 divided by 2, that is equal to 50 plus 50, that is 100 plus 20, 120 divided by 2, it will come 60. Therefore, area of one piece is equal to, what is the answer? Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is equal to square root of S is equal to, what is the value? 60 into 60 minus 20 into 60 minus 50 into 60 minus 50. That is equal to square root of 60 minus 60 into 60 minus 20, that is 40 into 60 minus 50, 10 into 60 minus 50, 10. That is equal to square root of 10 into 60 into 2 2s are 4 into 10, 2 2s are 4, 4 into 10, 40 into 10 into 10 is there, 10 into 10. Now we can take out equal factors, then 10 into 10, 1 we can take out common factor, 10 into 2 into 2, 2 into 10 into 10, 10 into root 6, square root of 6, 6 is only 1, 2 into 3 we can write, then also we cannot take out a common factor or equal factors we will not get, so we will write root 6 only. 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 2, 100 into 2, that is 200 root 6 centimeter square, 200 root 6 centimeter square. That is the area of one piece. Area of one piece is equal to 200 root 6 centimeter square. Therefore, how much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? That is the question. So each color, one color, how much cloth is required? That is the question. Therefore, Therefore, area of cloth of each color, area of cloth of each color required for the umbrella, required for the umbrella is equal to, what do we get answer? How many pieces of one color we need? 5 pieces. Then area of one piece is equal to 200 root 6 centimeter square. Therefore, area of cloth of each color required for the umbrella is equal to total 5 pieces we need. So 5 into area of one piece, that is 200 root 6 centimeter square, that is equal to 5 twos are 10. How many zeros are here? 2 zeros, root 6 centimeter square. So 1000 root 6 centimeter square area of cloth is required for one color. That is one color cloth we need 1000 root 6 centimeter square area. Then another color, either it is a black color. If it is black color means a black color we need 1000 root 6 centimeter square cloth, and white color also we need 1000 root 6 centimeter square. That is the answer.